This 2013 Mazda CX-5 is brought to you by JS Love Motors International Inc. Spring Drive-Off Specials at JS Love Motors. We and our Squo, we here to offer you great quality used cars to fit almost every budget. Only at JS Love Motors, where we consider your job first before your credit. Your job is your credit. Drive off today with $2,500 down. No hassle financing, now even lower monthly payments than ever. If you have something close to $2,500 down payment, come on down. We will work with you. Yes, drive off today. All our pre-owned vehicles come with a 1-month or 1,000-mile, whichever comes first, warranty. Extended warranty available. Our product speaks for itself. You will love what you buy only at JS Love Motors. That credit? No problem. This is your second chance dealership. No credit? We can help you establish credit history, prior repossessions. Yes, we can finance you, no driver's license. You can still drive off, self